Alright guys, today we've got an unboxing from the Boston Beer Company. A lot of great things happening over there, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to the email address you see below. I take a look at that for a little while and you get featured in your own beard advice series video, so please check that out if you haven't. And today we've got an unboxing from Boston Beer Company. Mike is the owner. A small batch company. He's a younger guy, very passionate, great guy in the community. He's very thoughtful too. Make sure you give him a follow on Instagram. I'll put a link for you there and check out what he's got going on. So not only is he thoughtful about his scents, he's also very thoughtful about the community and just self-growth and self-worth and all that kind of stuff. So got a lot of good information and good videos out there. He's a very good guy to follow. But he's got some new releases coming out. I think he's got 5 that's releasing today. I think it's 3 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you stay tuned for that if you're interested in any of these scents. So we started talking and I never tried anything from his company. He wanted me to try some of his stuff. So I'm not sure what he might have sent me. Ooh, hear that bubble wrap. Gotta love that. Something smelling good already. I know a lot of other guys he's been sending some of these things out to, so there's been a lot of other previews, but I'm excited to try this myself for the first time. So let's see what we've got here. This one is Churchill. All right, so I think that one's got bourbon, maybe apple. I can read it to you in a minute, but it's not written on here, the ingredients or anything. Oh man, that is nice. I'm a fan of the sweet scents, but it's not overly sweet. I've got it written down here. Churchill is apple, bourbon, and leather. And that's exactly what you get. I gotta smell that one again. Oh, I really like that one. Let me put that one to the side. Still working on getting my recording room here back to the way I want it. Let's see what else we got. We got, looks like a butter in here. I'm already going to tell you that Churchill is great. This one is the Churchill Butter. Yes. So the nice jar. It's got the little extra layer of security there in it, and which I dropped. Smells exactly the same, maybe just a little bit weaker, but maybe not. And the butter, that's a pretty dense butter, so it's not whipped, so that's going to last you a good while. On that, looks to be a 2-ounce container. Yeah, emulsifies great. Goodness, that's a good scent. Just in time for my top 10 list I've got coming out. I've already decided it's probably going to be a top 10 list that's in order and then like 10 more, just like honorable mentions. So it's probably a top 20 kind of thing. But anyway, Churchill, Boston Beer Company. I already know I'm going to recommend that. And let's see what else we got in here. Got one more oil, it looks like. So Mike, I appreciate you sending this out to me. I wish you the best of luck with all these new releases coming up and all the big plans that you got. I love hearing you talk about that stuff on your live videos and those kind of things. So this one is the Sinatra. So these are the 2 that kind of popped out to me, being ones that I wanted to try. The Sinatra is tobacco, pipe tobacco, I think. And strawberry. So you don't see a lot of beer products yet that's got strawberry. You may after this one. Man, that smells good too. I don't know which one I'm gonna like better. But let's check out the oil here. So slightly off color, just like you would think. And let's see what I can do about making a mess here. Looks to be medium consistency. Man, that's good too. They may tie for right now. I'll have to try them in the beard. But anyway, make sure you go check out the Boston Beer Company at 3 p.m. today. It should be those 2 scents will be available. Let's see what else we got. Vanilla and lavender, which is called Harvard. Back Bay, which is black pepper, vanilla, and sandalwood. Sandalwood and amber, which is called Mass Avenue. And then Churchill and Sinatra. And I can already recommend to you Churchill and Sinatra, but I do want to try it in the beard. But take a look at Boston Beer Company, check it out, and let them know I sent you. And let me know what you guys think in the comments if you've tried anything from their company. I think I remember he's got like some of his original scents. There was one that was a butter that was like brown sugar butter. That sounds right up my alley too. Anyway, check all that out, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.